How to make a smoothie at home, basic ingredients. Welcome to Healthy Bodies. We provide daily videos on a wide range of health topics. So hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, that way you will never miss any of our updates. In today's video we look at how to make a smoothie at home. A vitamin-packed smoothie is a great way to start the day, or works as the perfect afternoon energy boost. We have created numerous videos outlining the various health benefits of many different foods. So we thought it would be a great idea to explain how these can be combined into healthy smoothies. So here are our tips and recommendations to help you achieve that perfect smoothie. Equipment. There are many different types of smoothie maker on the market today, from Blitz and Go bullet blenders that are designed for quickly making smoothies, to the more conventional general-purpose blender. At the end of the day, much will depend on your budget and lifestyle. We have listed the two machines that we currently use in the description below, however most standard blender machines should suffice, and be more than sufficient to get you started. Smoothie ratios. To start, simply pour 2 mugs of liquid into the blender. The type of liquid is really up to you. It can be milk, or a dairy-free alternative, such as almond or soya milk, natural yogurt, fruit juice, or even coconut milk. We recommend pouring the liquid in first, before adding any other ingredients, in order to prevent any damage occurring to the blender blade. Next, add a mug full of your chosen fruit. Banana is a great base flavor for any smoothie, and will give you a lovely creamy texture. Most other fruits also work well. You may have to add more fruit or liquid, depending on the type of fruit you choose. For example, watermelon will require much less water than apple. You can experiment with the ratios until you find a texture you like. Then to spice up the flavor, try adding other ingredients. Honey or maple syrup is always a welcome addition. Chilled. If you want a chilled smoothie, you can also add ice into the mix. Alternatively, you can always freeze your fruit beforehand. If you want to make smoothies regularly, it's a great idea to stash some fruit in the freezer. Not only will they retain their nutritional value and flavor, they will instantly chill your smoothie, so there's no need to add any ice. A good tip is to store enough fruit for a smoothie in separate sandwich bags, so you can simply grab a bag whenever you want to make a smoothie. Most fruits can be stored in this way. Even fruits that don't usually freeze well, such as strawberries and melon, are okay to freeze if you're using them in a smoothie. Adding extras. Once you've mastered the basics, try adding different flavors. Perhaps add some cinnamon, nutmeg or vanilla essence, or give your smoothie some texture with flax seeds, chopped nuts or whole oats. Ginger and turmeric can be great additional ingredients, providing a wide range of health benefits. The list of combinations is basically endless, and will be driven by what you want to achieve from the smoothie. Perhaps you want to boost your immune system, get some more energy, or detox your system. Maybe you just fancy a healthy drink. Each one will require different combinations. And it doesn't stop there. Why not get experimental and combine a mixture of fruit and vegetables? The sweetness of fruit blends well with vegetable, and can make a super nutritious drink. For example, you could try making a green smoothie with coconut water, grated apple, kiwi, banana and spinach. Other vegetables which work well are grated beetroot or carrot, kale, tomatoes and avocados. If you're having a smoothie for breakfast or lunch, you can make a more rounded meal by adding protein. A spoonful of protein powder, peanut or other nut butter, or some tofu will blend well with your smoothie and give you an essential protein boost. Contrary to popular belief, including raw eggs is not a good option. We actually absorb the protein in eggs much better when they are cooked. We will shortly be producing a range of smoothie recipes to tackle a number of common health issues. So if there is anything in particular you would be interested in seeing, please drop a comment below. We hope you found this information useful. We have many similar videos being released shortly. So please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way you will catch all the latest updates.